Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I always appreciate you sharing my training to improve my English skills. So today I'm gonna talk about the magic of Japanese fireworks. Okay, so before I talking about this, I wanna say I'm sorry for making this video because I have a bit cold, so uh, I can't think seriously. So I I recovered. Uh, I can do and take this video. Okay? Yeah. So before you hear my speech, I want you to watch this video. Let's go!
Coming, Dorsch!
Let's try it. The magic of Japanese fireworks, and I, I will, tell you about this. Depend on this time. Number one to number five. Number one, the beautiful fireworks. Number two, watching fireworks in Japan. Number three, the festival atmosphere in Japanese fireworks festival. Number four, the art and culture of fireworks. Number five, why you should see Japanese fireworks. Okay, let's go. Number one theme. No. So, opening and introduction. So, okay. Let's start. Imagine a warm summer night in Japan. The sky suddenly lights up with bright colors and loud sounds. Fireworks are a big part of Japanese summer festival, and tonight I want to share with you why they are so special. Yeah, my goal is to help you feel that the joy and excitement of Japanese fireworks and make you wanna experience them yourself. Okay, let's start number one theme, the beautiful fireworks. What makes them special? Japanese fireworks are known for their amazing colors and patterns. They are carefully designed to create beautiful shapes like flowers or stars. Number two, how they make you feel. Fireworks are not just pretty to look at, they make you feel excited. You can feel the excitement build as you wait for the explosion, and when it happens, everyone around you reacts with wonder. Okay, this is number one theme, the beautiful fireworks. Next, number two, watching fireworks in Japan. Number one, finding the light festival. There are many famous fireworks festivals in Japan. Some of the best ones are the Sumida River Fireworks Festival in Tokyo and the Nagaoka Fireworks Festival in Niigata. Each one is special in its own way. Okay, number 2, best places to watch. To have the best view, you need to find a good spot. It's a good idea to get there early. Some good places to watch from along a river, on a hill, or even from a boat. Number 3, what to bring. To enjoy the night, bring things like blankets to sit on, some snacks, drinks, and maybe a light jacket because it can get cool in the evening. Okay, this is number 2 time watching fireworks in Japan. Next, number 3 time, the festival atmosphere. Wow. Okay. Number 3, the festival atmosphere. The festival feeling. Number 1. The area around the fireworks shows is full of life. There are food stores selling things like yakisoba, fried noodles, and takoyaki, octopus balls, and shaved ice. Many people wear yukata, which is a light, and summer kimono. You can hear traditional music and the beat of drums. Number 2, the fun of being together. One of the best things about Japanese fireworks festival is that everyone comes together to enjoy the show. It's a time for families, friends, and even strangers to share in the fun. Okay, this is number 3 time watching the festival atmosphere. Next, number 4 time, the art and culture of fireworks. Number 1, the craft behind the fireworks. Fireworks in Japan are made by skilled artists who put a lot of time and effort into their work. It's not just about the show, but about the careful planning that makes it possible. Number 2, why they mattered. Fireworks have a special meaning in Japan. They are sometimes used to scare away bad spirits and are often part of the celebration. This adds to their beauty and importance. Okay, this is number 4 time, the art and culture of fireworks. Next, number 5, why you should see Japanese fireworks. Okay. Number 1, a special experience. Watching fireworks in Japan is more than just seeing a light in the sky. It's a chance to enjoy Japanese culture, eat delicious food, and feel the excitement of the crowd. Number 2, memory to keep. Seeing fireworks in Japan is something you will always remember. It's an experience that stays with you, just like the bright colors in the sky. Okay, this is number 5 time. Okay, conclusion. Final thoughts. Imagine yourself in Japan, looking up at a night sky filled with light and colors. I hope you will want to see this for yourself one day. Japanese fireworks are something you don't want to miss. Okay, this is I want to tell you. Number 1, the beautiful fireworks. Number 2, watching fireworks in Japan. Number 3, the festival atmosphere. Number 4, the art and culture of fireworks. Number 5, why you should see Japanese firework. Yeah, I think I'm glad if you understand the firework and the Japanese culture, one of the Japanese cultures, and if you wanna come to Japan, and if you wanna enjoy Japanese and Japanese culture, yeah, this is I'm glad. Okay, yeah, it's finished this time to speak about this. And okay, if you're interested in this video, please push a good button, and please, if you wanna and become wanna come to Japan, and if you become to enjoy Japanese culture, if you please push a good button, and please any comment, and please subscribe my channels. I always appreciate you sharing my training to improve my English skills. Yeah. As long as you cheer me, I try to keep training and keep taking a video about and over talking about Japanese culture. So please cheer me. Okay. If you have any question about this, please any comment. If I have a time, if I have any time, I will answer this question. Okay. So yeah, okay. It's time to finish this video. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day.